Uh, I would like to tell you that there had been four very major initiative, or you can say cases which happened in the Supreme Court of India. It was in year 2002, 2003, 2013 and 2018, where Supreme Court has come up out with a very original idea that there is a something called fundamental right under
Yeah.
19, and the people are having the right to have the full information about their political representative, and they in turn has the Supreme Court has ordered that whole criminal record, uh, your assets and liabilities, your academic details should come, and there was some fourth direction also. Uh, so instead of complying with that direction, they this politician, they came out with the amendment saying this information cannot be asked for.
Yeah.
I mean, instead of working in favor of public, they worked in favor of criminals, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
And they amended the law by shielding the politician. They need not to disclose.
Yeah.
Then,
Agree. Agree.
then someone जो है ना again went to the Supreme Court. I think Administrative Reform Forum or something like that. So they approached Supreme Court, and Supreme Court said that this is the fundamental right cannot be taken away by any enactment. So this enactment is not only that superfluous and ultra virus. No such enactment in future is doable.
Right.
Right?
Yeah. Correct. Correct.
So then again that some forum has approached Supreme Court, and Supreme Court came with the idea कि basically the request was, PIL was for that criminals should not be allowed to contest election. So Supreme Court said very clearly, sorry, we cannot give such direction. This is in the domain of the parliament, and the parliament alone can do this enactment. But he said, yes, I can do something. That is, the moment they are convicted, without any further process, such people representative means MLA and MP, they will be disqualified.
Yeah.
Right? And then again, there was one more PIL which said that each of the charges, if they are framed, and at least charges with having the crime more than 5 years or more punishment, at least such criminals should not be allowed to contest.
Yeah.
So in all four cases, that Election Commission of India also requested Government of India to do some enactment whereby the people against whom the charges are framed, at least they should not be allowed to contest election. And in 2018, the ECI said that okay, if you are not ready to do it, at least you do it for the people of the offences which are already taken cognizance by the court, and having the punishment more than 5 years or more.
Got it.
But as you know, no government, no politicians are going to favor this nation of the clean politicians, right?
Correct.
I am forgetting your name, please.
Shubhadeep.
Shivdeep. Yeah. Shivdeep, yeah. So, Shivdeep, do you know what is the situation now in Parliament?
Definitely, I don't know that much in detail, but I have little bit idea.
Okay, let me give you the facts and figures, right? Because
Sure.
I am equipped with that, right?
Yeah. Yeah. Sure.
There are 545 MPs in the Parliament.
Yeah.
As per Article 333, two member of parliament, they are nominated. Anglo-Indians are supposed to be nominated.
Mm-hmm.
So only 543 MPs they are getting elected.
Mm-hmm.
Out of 543 MP, 251, which makes it 46% of the total,
Mm-hmm.
they are
Mm-hmm.
having the criminal record as per their own admission in court of law.
All right.
Admission at the time of filing of the nomination in election commission. So
Mm-hmm.
this is not independent statistics. This is statistics based on the affidavit filed by the candidate themselves.
Okay. All right.
There may be some suppression of information here and there, but
Mm-hmm.
this is based on their own declaration on affidavit.
Mm-hmm.
So someone may say that politicians they take demonstration this that, so getting offense registered against them is not a big deal. But that
Mm-hmm.
is not the correct situation. Correct
Correct.
situation that 117 of MP out of 543, that is
Mm-hmm.
30% of the total, they are having very, very serious offenses to their credit like murder, dacoity, kidnapping,
Mm-hmm.
rape,
True.
etc.
True.
And despite the fact they are as a
They're serving. Yeah.
Supreme Court decision that criminals, the moment you are convicted, you are disqualified
Mm-hmm.
instantaneously without any
Mm-hmm.
further process, right?
Correct.
27 of MPs, they are convicted by the court of law.
Mm-hmm.
They are sitting in the court of our parliament on the basis of the appeal they have filed.
Mm-hmm.
So where is the ray of hope? So we are
Correct.
having lot many initiatives, as I told
Mm-hmm.
you last time.
Yeah.
They are basically intended to transform the Bharat, and I want my dependency on technocrats should not be there. That's why I intend to learn AI. I intend to
Mm-hmm.
create my own app. I am already
Mm-hmm.
in process of building my own website.
Yeah. You
And
have mentioned that. Yeah.
yeah, yeah, and that is we are already in. Very. I mean, and we are increasing our basically CSR जो है social corporate social
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Yeah.
responsibility
Yeah.
and taking educational institution together.
Mm-hmm.
I won't mind if your university invite me to deliver a talk there
Mm-hmm.
or to the students over there.
Mm-hmm.
That how they can adopt the similar initiative in
Mm-hmm.
America too, because it is
Mm-hmm.
equally too bad.
Yeah. Correct.
I mean, you might be having the wrong impression that America is better, but it is not.
Yeah. Yeah.
It is not. It
Currently,
is not.
yeah. 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 Because the internal situations are different, and the things that they show
Oh,
that is
public is
different.
being befooled basically. There's a
Yeah.
lobbying and the pressure groups. You must have learned that the medical that for the lobbying, how much money they are spending, and they are
Mm-hmm.
manipulating everything. There was a Wiki media leakage, if you recall.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
So things are not good.
Yeah.
In the name of insurance, they are being cheated. They are not being given, I mean, right kind of things. They are made to consume chemicals, this, that. Despite they say that they are having very high standard and I mean, higher standard of scrutiny. But that is
Mm-hmm.
partially correct. India
Yeah.
may not be having any, or the
Mm-hmm.
corrupt system of India, even if they are having it is a highly incapable kind of models and
Mm-hmm.
instrument in place.
Correct.
So you cannot expect anything great from the bureaucracy, from the politicians.
Yeah.
So Mr.
Agree.
Now what is the way out?
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
I mean, keep off condemning, keep off criticizing, or there is
Mm-hmm.
some other way out.
Mm-hmm.
So we have created a Acha Bharat Sankalp Samooh.
Mm-hmm.
showing yes, there's a way out.
Yep.
Do you know we are coming out with the educational module whereby the dependency
Mm-hmm.
on parents will be zero.
That's great. That is great initiative. That
I
is,
mean, it mean
yeah.
even the influential parents, they will
Mm-hmm.
not be allowed to share the burden of education of the children.
Mm-hmm.
So
Mm-hmm.
children will get the all kind of the support, and they have
Mm-hmm.
to do work and through the credit only. By earning
Mm-hmm.
credit, their
Mm-hmm.
financial whatever the favor has been given to the student,
Mm-hmm.
that can be cleared.
Mm-hmm.
Even the influential or rich parents, they are
Mm-hmm.
having only one way to support, to give the donation to the Acha Bharat Sankalp Samooh.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
It means
Got it.
in future, no student in India, they have to pay anything from their pocket.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
It will come as a support from Crime Free Bharat Mission, Acha Bharat Sankalp Samooh, and this thing, basically, the student themselves has to. There are ways to how you can earn credits. So you have to
Mm-hmm.
earn credit by doing something while you are studying, and
Mm-hmm.
automatically the whatever the financial support has been given, that will be settled.
Mm-hmm.
So that's the model. And
Got it.
basically, you will not be given the education as Mr. Shiv. What you said, Shiv?
Shubhadeep. Shubhadeep.
Shiv,
Shubhadeep.
Shivdeep, na?
Shubhadeep. Yeah. Shubhadeep. Say
Shivdeep.
that.
So it is not that what the Shivdeep is recommending.
Mm-hmm.
First of all, there will be models to identify your potential,
Mm-hmm.
and these models will be, as we go ahead, we will be keep on refining. So we are not looking that we will be having a foolproof, perfect potential identification.
Mm-hmm.
As we will move ahead, these models will get more perfect, and they will be better. But
Mm-hmm.
we will go for whatever, I mean, little potential assessment we can do in beginning,
Mm-hmm.
and that then potential will be broken in a very small milestones.
Mm-hmm.
And for each milestone, then there will be education which will be starting from the cultural education, because the
Mm-hmm.
culture is missing now,
Correct.
because they are not getting this cultural values, cultural things, they are not getting now from their family, they are not getting from the society, and they are not getting from any education system. So we have created a youth which is deprived of the cultural values at the moment, and the things
Mm-hmm.
are chaotic. Do you agree with this?
Yes. Correct. Correct. I agree.
And the second part will be, you will be given the knowledge befitting your milestone. Then, by
Mm-hmm.
giving the regular practice, that knowledge will be honed into a skill. And thereafter, there will be repetitive tests and things like that. And you will be honed so that you have to, because these are the things of your potential, and they have to be the things of your natural interest. So
Mm-hmm.
slowly you will develop excellence,
Mm-hmm.
and after testing, the certificate of excellence will be given.
Mm-hmm.
So everybody will be having their own journey to the
Mm-hmm.
potential realization. So
Got it.
it will be without any competition,
Mm-hmm.
right? Now,
Yeah.
after having a certificate of excellence, you need not to appear in any market or any competitive examination.
Yeah.
Rather,
Correct. Correct.
you will be mapped with. Do you know with what?
Opportunities.
No,
Yeah.
you will be mapped with Rashtriya Sampada Nirman.
All right.
So there will be already n number of the templates which will be waiting for you to join. So the
Mm-hmm.
moment you earn certificate of excellence, you will go to the Rashtriya Sampada mission of
Mm-hmm.
your choice, of your destination.
Mm-hmm.
So without even waiting for a day, While you will be working, you will be earning credit, and that will be settling whatever the credit is on you. And after
Mm-hmm.
settling of the credit, then you will be becoming a wealthier person. And
Mm-hmm.
when you fulfill that milestone one, then you will be again reverted back to the journey to milestone two, then three, to then four, to five, six, seven, etc.
Mm-hmm.
till
Mm-hmm.
you realize your potential.
Mm-hmm.
So even deprived class person, he would be in position to
Mm-hmm.
become industrialist, entrepreneur, scientist,
Mm-hmm.
or whatever,
Got it.
artist,
Mm-hmm.
social
Yeah.
activist,
Yeah.
anything your potential is there. So I mean that kind of the
Mm-hmm.
things. Now imagine if
Mm-hmm.
1.5 crore people of 150 crore people of India,
Mm-hmm.
if they are made to travel or made to realize their potential,
Mm-hmm.
Acha Bharat you want to get,
Yeah.
right? And then the
Yeah.
journey will not be for the Bharat alone. I am
Yeah.
very sure the world will also try to move in the similar direction.
Yeah.
And
Sure.
then we will not
Correct.
be having Acha Bharat, we will be having Acha Vishwa.
Mm-hmm.
And we will be
Correct.
having the Vasundhara Kutumba.
Mm-hmm. Correct.
So whether you could get the right kind of feedback from me?
Yes.
Okay. Okay.
Correct.
Now you tell. What
Yeah.
next?
Sure. Sure. Sure, sure. So now that you explained all these things to me, and I really appreciate the initiative that you have started, right? So this is a great initiative, by the way, and you have explained it in a very simple manner so that I can understand, right?
Hmm.
So now that I got to know that you want to really develop something that would really impact the world, you want to create an impact, right?
I do not
So for
want to have my dependency on technocrats. So I want to
Mhm.
use
Correct.
a lot. I am already using
Mhm.
ChatGPT, Copilots, and
Mhm.
a number of
Mhm.
other already available
Mhm.
tools.
Mhm.
But
Mhm.
developing my own capability so that I can make
Mhm.
use of these tools more
Mhm.
effectively, because
Yeah.
reinventing wheel is not a good option.
Yeah. Correct. Correct.
So
Correct.
we need not to start from the scratch.
Mhm. Mhm.
Let's pick up the thread wherever they are available and
Mhm.
make use of the times, make use of the opportunity so that these objectives could be used and to fulfill.
Mhm.
And similarly, there's another objective whereby that industries will be joining us as their corporate social responsibility. Then
Mhm.
we
Mhm.
are coming out with a crime and corruption free Bharat, which is having,
Mhm.
I mean,
Mhm.
where you will be having a transformed policing and transformed judicial system, whereby justice within 30 days is guaranteed, and you need not to go to Thana, you need not to go any court.
Mhm.
There will be everything, even the trial will be through virtual courts,
Mhm.
online, maybe 24
Mhm.
hour a day. There will be no limitation about the number of judges, number
Mhm.
of the police officer, number of the advocates, either defense lawyer or prosecution lawyer, or
Mhm.
forensic experts, or all kind of people. They will be there,
Mhm. Mhm.
and the government need not to spend even a single penny on them, neither on the
Mhm.
police, nor
Mhm.
on judges, nor on forensic experts,
Mhm.
even the defense lawyer and prosecution lawyer. They will be paid through the revenue stream, which will be
Mhm.
finally loaded on the criminals.
Mhm.
So
Mhm.
at present, the
Got it.
criminals are enjoying the best of the life.
Yeah. Correct.
Now the doing crime will be a great challenge, and people will be admitting their own crime, because the
Mhm.
financial pecuniary burden which will be accruing to them, it
Mhm.
will be so big
Mhm.
that they will feel it safer that if the crime has been committed, because I mean, lot many things are not under your control,
Yeah.
safer and better option to immediately go and confess yourself even before it
Mhm.
is reported by the complainant.
Yeah. True.
So that's how we will be ensuring corruption, crime and corruption-free Bharat,
Mhm.
whereby there is no burden on the police, no burden, and even that the number of the judges, number of the policemen, number of the advocates, or number of the forensic experts, and etc.
Mhm.
Will be, I mean, that will not be a limitation. And
Mhm.
above all, government of India need not to pay a single penny in any one of them.
Mhm. Mhm.
How do you react to this model?
Yeah, that's a great model, by the way.
Do you agree that it is a hypothesis? It is because lot many of my friends say,
Yeah. Mhm. Mhm.
lot many of my friends, it means my IAS and IPS colleagues, they
Mhm.
said it is a utopian model.
Mhm.
It will never come true. So
Yeah, because
I asked my friends, tell me
mhm.
which part you feel is not implementable. I
Mhm.
will come out with a detailed implementation strategy.
Mhm. Mhm.
And if you feel that politicians are the biggest hurdle in the process,
Mhm.
the politicians themselves will fade away. They won't be there. It will be taken
Mhm.
over by the people, those who will be spreading the message to the each one, and they will be occupying the chair of the president, prime minister, ministers, and
Mhm.
MPs. So
Mhm.
today's criminals and ruffians, they will not be MPs, they will not be MLAs, they will not be the lawmakers. So
Mhm.
I feel you must be agreeing that
Yeah, yeah,
the political hurdle itself will get evaporated.
yeah.
Do you agree with this or not?
Yes, correct, correct. So if it is
So
implemented in the correct way, definitely it will be leaving a very
uh,
deep impact, right?
very true. It's not question of implementation. It's question of at
Yeah.
the moment nobody is obeying law.
Mm-hmm.
Law
Yeah.
itself is of the colonial origin. They have
Mm-hmm.
created a law for their benefit, which should cause them least of the burden.
Mm-hmm.
They will retain all the decision making authority with a zero accountability. They will try to portray themselves that they are the biggest ambassador of the justice, and
Mm-hmm.
they abide by the law, and they are by the governance, by the rule. This is all fraud.
Mm-hmm.
But we have created a system whereby making use of the present law, we
Mm-hmm.
will make it absolutely impossible for all the stakeholders not to play their role with honesty, with full integrity.
Mm-hmm.
Otherwise, they are going to land in jail.
Yeah.
Sometime I will explain that model to you.
Mm-hmm. Sure, sure, sure. Definitely, I would love to hear that.
Okay,
Mm-hmm.
Siddhi, I think too much of
Yeah.
lecturing is not good from my side.
It's okay. It's okay, right? So I just wanted to learn the things that you are implementing because not everyone is implementing these things, and not everyone is planning to leave an impact, right? So
Mhm.
everyone is working for their own benefits. Not everyone is working for the society, right? So it's a great initiative, and we really appreciate the initiative that you are working on, right? So yeah. And if technology would play a very important role in achieving that, then definitely I would more than happy to create an impact with my help as well, right? So I would love to be a part of
I
that.
will be obliged for that.
Yeah, yeah,
And
sure, sure.
whether your institute would be favoring us with the waivers kind of thing so that you can have me on board without really it
Mm-hmm.
is causing any financial burden on me,
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
because then such kind of the person then will be part of your class and will be part of your thing.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So, but if there's a
See,
too much,
yeah,
so
yeah, Mr.
so
Masud, yeah.
giving time and including that financial burden it will be causing.
Mm-hmm.
Because I'm very sure you must be having a lot of incentives and waivers for that to attract the right kind of the people.
Mm-hmm.
So
Mm-hmm.
if you feel that
Definitely,
my profile is of some use to you,
definitely, definitely.
then you can look for the Number one, content, and number two, the waivers.
Sure, sure, sure. I would love to share all those things, and I am really thinking. Means I really got attracted with the impact that you are leaving. So I would really take the chance to just go for the maximum waivers that we can do for you, right?
Great.
Yeah, yeah, sure, sure. No worries. So don't worry about that. I will be taking the most,
So
and I
now
will.
after discussion, Jahana, I will be really happy if you can really suggest me right kind of the course so that
Sure,
my
sure, sure,
time and energy could be saved. And I will
sure,
be
sure.
too happy if you can take away the financial burden on me.
Mm-hmm,
Then
mm-hmm.
probably, and I will be too happy to collaborate. I would be too happy to really address your student in India and even in USA. I don't know whether I have shared that I am already alumni of University of Texas.
All right. So you are already an alumni. Great, great.
Yeah,
That's
because
a great
I
thing
have
to know.
done one Government of India course by the University of Terry, in which they
Mm-hmm.
were having the collaboration with the University of Texas, University of
Mm-hmm.
New Havens, and
Mm-hmm.
University of one more university was there. So it
Mm-hmm.
was a collaboration with the three universities. So I had one semester with
Mm-hmm.
the University of Texas.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Got it. Got it. So great to know that you are already an alumni of IIT Austin, right?
Yeah,
So that's a great thing to know,
yeah.
and that would really help you as well. Like, um, yeah. Now
But
just
but it
coming
but,
to the.
but it was it was a course of the Government of India, and it was
Mm-hmm.
sponsored by them.
Mm-hmm.
So it was a on duty course.
Mm-hmm.
It
Mm-hmm.
was a
All right.
it was a formal master degree.
Mm-hmm.
It
Mm-hmm.
was a MA in Public Policy and Sustainable
Mm-hmm.
Development.
All right. Got it. Got it. Got it. No worries, Shana. So, the thing is, you mentioned that you don't want that much of financial burden, right?
Mhm.
So, definitely, I would be applying for the maximum waiver that I can do from my side. But
Mhm.
yeah, definitely, as this is coming from a company, means our company, like a Great Learning, and it is in collaboration with two universities. One is University of Texas, and another is Great Lakes, right? So definitely there are gonna some charges that will be included, right? So because quality comes at a cost, right?
Mhm.
So you can't provide all things for free because free things are people don't value the free things, right? That's the thing. So definitely,
No, I will value it. Don't worry.
yeah, 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 yeah. I know that. I know that. Yeah, I know that, right? So, but thing is, I will be applying for the maximum waiver from my side. So don't worry on that part, right?
Mhm.
So I'll be going for the maximum thing, right? But
Mhm.
just before I share all the C part and all the other things, because that comes to the later part, right? First,
Okay.
you should know that what all things that you means how your journey would look like,
Mhm.
and what all things you're gonna learn inside the program, and how you can implement it in impacting the society that you mentioned, right? You are working on a very big impact, right? Or initiative. So how you can implement technology and you can integrate that in your current domain, and you can integrate AI in your in building your websites and apps as you are really working on that, right? So I would be first walking you through that, and definitely in the later stage of the process, I would be definitely walking through the admission process and what is the fee structure, what are the maximum waivers that I can apply for you. I will be informing you everything. Okay.
Okay, fair
How
enough.
does that sound?
Yeah, it's great.
Perfect. Perfect. Now coming to the point directly, right? Okay, what are the things that you wanna learn, right, and how you can implement that, right? So the first thing that you would be learning inside the program is from the basics, as you want to learn from the basics, so that you don't rely on any kind of technocrat, right?
Yeah.
So that you can build the product and technology, use technologies according to you, right? The
Mhm.
things that you can build yourself. So for that, you should learn from the basics which you are already keen for, right? So in that, what you'll be learning in the first step of the process is the basics of Python programming. Okay, are you aware of Python or programming languages?
No,
What are the kind of
I am
program?
aware, but I never really attempted to.
Mm-hmm,
Though I am having
mm-hmm,
the fair idea, but I never
mm-hmm.
attempted to.
No worries, no worries. So this program doesn't require any kind of prerequisite from the learner, right? The
Mhm.
only thing that we require from the learners is whether they are committed to make a transition, right, or make an impact, right? Because at the end, if they want to create an
Now with the
impact for the society.
present stage of the AI, which is already available,
Mm-hmm.
whether this knowledge has become little not essential, I will not say redundant, but it is not that much essential. You can
Mm-hmm.
manage with the AI tools, and they can
Mm-hmm.
write the code for the you. I mean, rather than you are writing
Definitely, definitely. See,
rather than you are
I.
writing code for yourself. So a
Mm-hmm.
little knowledge to go through the code, so that
Mm-hmm.
code should not play with you. You should be playing with the
Yes,
code.
correct, correct, correct.
So
So that's what.
that much a gut knowledge is good enough. I mean, rather than having in-depth knowledge,
Mm-hmm.
because
Mm-hmm.
AI would be in position to suggest the codes. You
Mm-hmm.
can meaningfully look at the code, and wherever you feel you can
Mm-hmm.
get it improved again by giving the suitable instruction to AI.
Mm-hmm. I agree on that, and people are doing
Because
that, right?
you
Yeah.
still need you have to just convey where you feel it is not doing your job.
Yes, correct, correct. But
So
for that to happen, you should know the knowledge, right? So you should have the basics, right? That you know how does that work, right? But AI, I can say that it would be an added advantage, right? So you can use AI to increase the productivity, but you can't rely on that to build any kind of thing, because if it you are only relying on AI to write the code and
basically
right.
I will put this way,
Mm-hmm.
that you should know, I mean, you should know how to command AI basically.
Yeah, correct,
It should work as a very
correct.
honest servant rather than it is riding on you.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
And I found that way ChatGPT is doing a great job, because
Sorry.
ChatGPT is doing good job.
Yeah. But if I say about ChatGPT, so the problem with ChatGPT is it hallucinates a lot, right? So it doesn't provide you the correct answer every time, right? And you can't.
That is not important. It helps
Mhm.
you to take a right decision.
Yeah,
So
definitely, I agree on that.
it is not taking the decision. You are taking decision.
Yeah,
It is
correct,
providing all kind of the details. Rather than relying on the wisdom of ChatGPT, you can go through the document yourself. So
correct,
I mean, you can do a really a good job. I mean, that precisely I would like to say.
correct, 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 correct. It is doing a good job, but thing is, as I mentioned, as I'm means working with these things closely, right? I'm working with this on a close basis, on a daily basis, even
Let
today. So,
let me further add that it is not a
mhm.
substituting kind of things. It is question of complementing kind of thing.
Yeah, correct, correct, correct.
So
That's true.
we don't want to really substitute anybody. We want
Mm-hmm.
to complement, and let it should multiply our productivity. It should increase our speed, and it should reduce our dependency also, because whosoever sits in the position, it tries to really finally exploit the, I mean, whatever the advantage is already they could accrue over the period of time.
Correct.
So
That's true.
dependency has to be minimized.
Yeah, true. So for that to happen, you should know the in and outs, right? So that no one can fool you, not even.
I won't deny it, but what I am saying is that
Mm-hmm.
it should, I mean, it should be a good job, and it should
Mm-hmm.
be a fast job rather than
Yeah,
taking too much of the
that's true.
time.
That's
I
true.
mean, say basics should be learned,
Even.
I mean, as fast as possible,
Mm-hmm.
because then we should not be uh, overburdened with the basics. Basics should be to for the families and purpose and to move ahead.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
I mean,
True.
I feel that way. I may be wrong.
See, yeah, let me give you a perspective. So you are correct, right? So you are totally correct, and people are using AI like this, right? So they already the people who are in the tech field and basically the people who are working in the IT field, I can say, right?
Mhm.
So what they are doing is as I'm interacting with them on a daily basis, right? So I am just giving them perception that how they are using AI as a technocrat, you can say,
Mm-hmm.
right?
Mm-hmm.
So how they are using is they already know the basics and how that works, right? And now to increase their productivity, and because nowadays with the help of AI, the things that would have taken 10 days can be completed within 10 minutes, right? Or within 1 hour, right? With the help of AI. So how they are using it, they suppose they want to launch a model or launch a product, you can say. So they are using AI. They are taking the help of AI to build the initial product or their model, and then they are refining it or fine tuning it according to their internal documents or internal needs, right? And then they are building or publishing the full and final product after testing it, right? This is how they are working, right? So AI is an added advantage, you can say, but you don't have to rely only on AI, right? You can't rely as well
Very
only
true.
on AI,
You
right?
rightly said that it has to be complementary rather than substitutory.
Yes,
You
yes.
need not to
You
substitute it, but you have to
yes,
complement it. And
yeah,
thereby, I mean, by AI is not going to eliminate. It is
yes,
going to complement you. So the
yes,
fear
correct.
which is being expressed that because of the AI people will be losing job, that is not correct.
Yeah, means it is happening, right? If I talk about the current market, the people who are not having the knowledge of AI or they are not using AI, right? So they are losing their jobs, and they are losing their jobs not due to AI. They're losing their jobs because the professionals who are in similar kind of domain, they are upskilling themselves with AI, right? And they are becoming AI enabled, while the person who are not enabling them with the AI knowledge or the how to build models or how to interact with AI, right? They are losing out on the current market, right? Because the current market is only rewarding the professionals who are integrating AI on a daily basis in their current workflows, and companies are rewarding them, right? And companies, by the way, just to let you know that companies are implementing or integrating AI agents, right? So the AI agents are working 24 by 7. Human can't work 24 by 7, right? But the
Very
AI
true.
agent can,
Basically, the
right?
AI agent or AI assistant, I will say agent is not a
Mm-hmm.
right word. I will say AI
Mm-hmm.
assistant. They
Mm-hmm.
will be doing a great job in our case because we are
Yeah.
integrating AI assistant as a tool. So when somebody is reporting anything, AI will
Mm-hmm.
be providing the full-fledged answer based
Mm-hmm.
on my model.
Yeah, correct.
And wherever it feels that there's something important which need to be referred to me for the policy decision, that will come to me.
Mm-hmm.
So
Correct.
it will be a tool whereby I will be having a full control
Mm-hmm.
on a distributed model because
Mm-hmm.
the people will be sitting in the village remote corners, and they
Mm-hmm.
will be entertaining, receiving applications, and helping the people.
Mm-hmm. True.
So,
True.
I mean, this kind of the virtual assistant will
Mm-hmm.
be very, very handy because it will be providing the template-wise kind of the solution to them,
Mm-hmm.
pre-approved things. It will try to identify that where there's further decision making is
Yeah.
required.
Yeah.
It will flag it and for the decision making. And the moment the decision is given, that will be incorporated into the model.
Yeah. Yeah. That is the fair use of AI. You rightly said it. Right.
Basically, that way we are already integrating. Now our
Mm-hmm.
website is having AI assistant for our
Mm-hmm.
volunteers, those who are working in the remote villages.
Mm-hmm.
So they do not to have much of the intelligence. I mean, even a
Mm-hmm.
normal person would be in position to serve as a Acha Bharat Sankalp Samuh volunteer.
Mm-hmm. 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 Got it. Got it. That's a very good thing that you have done, by the way, definitely. Right.
Mhm.
And the main motto of this thing that I want to convey is AI agents are serving as a multiplier, right? They are not just only a tool, right? They are multiplying what you are doing right now,
Not only
right?
multiplying, they are identifying the things and
Yeah,
silently sending it to you for the decision making.
yeah.
So the things which you
Which
have
is the
not
most important.
which you have
Yeah.
not factored in so far, they will
Mm-hmm.
come in your knowledge without overburdening you.
Yeah. True.
You can decide them at your pace.
Yeah, and
So, so,
people are
so
using like
yeah.
that. Yeah, yeah, yeah. You
So,
were saying something? Yeah.
so I am very sure your this detailing would be of the great help, and if you can really send them in a form of a flow diagram or some kind of
Mm-hmm.
things,
Mm-hmm.
probably my mind works that way. So I will be in position to
Mm-hmm.
appreciate your flow
Yeah,
diagram given by
actually,
you.
I have sent that, right. I have sent that on your WhatsApp. So if you don't mind, you can directly open that right now. I can walk you throughout the process. How does that sound for you?
Okay, just
Sound to you?
let me see. This is
Sure, sure,
your
sure.
this is
And just
your this is your personal number.
no, no. I am just pinging it up again. Okay.
I think that will be better if you speak from your personal number, so then I can directly dial you.
Yeah, I'm just sending you that. Hi, I'm just pinging you again.
Hmm.
Okay. I have shared it. It is not showing delivered. Is your internet on, by the way?
Yeah, internet is on.
It is not getting delivered.
There are programs details. Sudeep Bhattacharya.
Yeah, Shubhadeep Bhattacharya.
Okay, Subhadeep. Yeah, Subhadeep
Yeah,
Bhattacharya.
yeah, Shubhadeep.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. So these are the program details. So it is not program detail. It is more of a copy of a certificate which you are conferring. It is saying that
No, actually,
yeah, John Doe he got this kind of the certificate. My
yeah, that
my
means
interest is
the
not in certificate because I am not going to pitch myself for any job in a
yeah,
market.
yeah, yeah. I agree. I agree. The
So
reason I have
so
sent
the
this is
certificate is of
mhm,
least relevance to me
mhm, mhm.
because
Correct,
it
correct.
would have been of value if I wanted to pitch myself for some professorship or some
Yeah,
job.
yeah.
So that is
That's
not
true.
the inclination. So any kind of the degree,
Mhm,
any
mhm,
kind of the
mhm,
certificate is of no use, but the
mhm, mhm.
knowledge is certainly of great value.
Yes, correct, correct,
So
correct. Because the skill sets only matters.
yeah,
Everyone is want to look into these skill
and
sets,
on the
right?
top it
As,
is saying, "My greetings, com
sorry.
Excel." No, I am trying to say what you have sent to me. एक तो Dr. Narayana, the faculty is an falana, something like that.
Yeah, I have sent you the brochure now. You can open that because that would
That
be
that
helpful
will
for
be
you.
better. That will be better.
Yeah, I just sent you that. You can directly open that,
Yeah,
right?
PGP AIML browser,
Yeah,
right?
that is the name of the program. So basically, there is a post graduation program in
Okay.
AI and machine
It
learning.
is about the
Yeah,
McCoven School of the at the University of
yeah,
Texas,
Meckham School
Austin.
of Business. Yeah,
So it
yeah,
is my old campus. I,
yeah,
I am having
correct.
very good memory of it. Mm, it says the legacy of empowering AI-driven excellence.
Yeah,
Learn alongside diverse peers. That's great.
yeah, correct.
Dr.
So
Kumar Muthuraman.
yeah. So he's basically the faculty director of the Center of Excellence of AUT Austin itself. So
Okay.
he's the faculty here. So he is not only just teaching AI. He is into the research and development of AI from the past 20 plus years, right? So he's the right person whom you can learn from, right? And another faculty is Dr. Avinanda Sarkar. So he is also a person who is having means a background in Stanford, and he is also into research and development of AI. Before even this AI became the mainstream, right? Nowadays, everyone is talking about AI, right? But if I talk about back in 2016 or 2015, 10, 15 years ago, right? There was no buzz around AI, right? Still, University of Texas and these kind of people or faculties, they are into the research and development, right? So these are the people who are the best person from whom you
Yeah,
can
I
learn AI.
can I can read Dr. Kumar Muthuraman,
Yeah,
Dr. Avinanda Sarkar,
yeah,
and it
correct.
says about the Daniel Mitchell.
Yeah.
I don't know whether I am
So these are
pronouncing
the
correct. Dr.
yeah Daniel Mitchell.
Narayana,
Yeah,
Dr. Pavan Kumar
yeah,
Gurujada,
yeah, yeah,
Professor Mukesh Rao,
yeah.
then Bedford Tuckfield,
Tuckfield. Yeah,
then Udit
and
Malhotra.
yeah. So these are the faculties that you would be learning from, and these are only the faculties who you would be learning from during the weekdays. Okay, so basically how this program work is you would be learning in a flip model. Okay, so how does that flip model work? So during the weekdays, you would be getting the pre-recorded classes from these kind of faculties. That you just have recited the names, right? So these are the faculties with whom from whom you would be learning during the weekdays. Okay. And during the weekends, which would be either on Saturdays or Sundays, you would be having 2 to 3 hour sessions with the industry mentors. Okay. So who are these industry mentors? So they are the people who are leading the AI initiatives in the current market, right? So those are the people who are driving the AI initiatives. They are building products, right?
I could read that ChatGPT generated AI overview, ChatGPT
Yeah,
applications and
yeah,
business and generated AI demonstration. I could
yeah,
read that
correct.
Python programming, so
Mhm.
variable data type, data structure,
So that is
conditional
the curriculum
looping
of the
statement.
program that
Huh?
you would be learning.
Yeah.
That is the curriculum. So you would be learning from the basics till the advanced. I mentioned, right? So this program would be helping you to build the foundations as well as go to the advanced level, right? So like generative AI, agentic AI. So if you scroll further down, right? So you'd be seeing the modules on generative AI, agentic AI, right? And you would be working on capstone projects as well. So the reason for us to include capstone projects is you should learn AI hands-on, right? You can't learn AI in a theoretical manner, right? You should learn by doing it, right? So for that, you would be building a real-time project. So here we have included 7+ real-time projects and a
So
capstone
I
project,
would
which,
like to work on my own project, huh? I mean, which I am already working.
yeah, definitely. See,
So we
you
would
can,
like that
you
crime
should be
free Bharat
definitely.
should be one project.
Mhm.
How to impart education and having a parents burden free
Mhm, mhm,
kind of a potential realization skill development program.
mhm, mhm.
That will
See,
be. Mhm.
definitely, definitely. You would be working on that, right? But these projects are included only to give you the exposure, right? The exposure means you would be learning to build or implement AI in different kind of domains, right? So in near future, if
Hey,
you
whether
want
the
to,
faculty could be motivated to adopt one of our program for students so that they can work on that.
sorry,
Whether you people are open for that one of our these initiative could be taken for as a project
mm,
for all the students to work on them, and they
mm,
can help us to really make it
mm,
happen
mm.
little faster.
Actually, yes, yeah, we would love to do that, but the thing is, this is from University of Texas, so they have made it mandatory that you should build these kind of projects. At the same time, you can work on different projects as well. Okay. The reason for going through these projects is you would be evaluated based on the projects, right? So I mentioned that this is a practical implementation based program, right? So you need to build the projects, and based on the project that you would be building, you would be evaluated as well. So the evaluation criteria looks like this. So you'd be evaluated 60% based on the project, 30% only on the quizzes and assessments that you would be giving after going through the modules, and 10% based on the attendance that you would be means 10% attendance only because you would be attending classes, right?
Let me say it is
This is,
really very impressive,
yeah.
and I can see the fees part also.
Mm-hmm.
I think it is a little high for me.
See,
So
yeah.
you have to look for what kind of the.
Definitely, definitely, definitely. So I
I mean,
promised you, right, in the beginning, right, that I will be applying for the maximum waiver for you, right? So here you can see that the fee is 2,75,000 plus GST, right?
mm,
So which comes to around 3,24,500 rupees. Okay.
mm, mm, mm.
So this is the total fee of the program for the 12-month duration program, right?
Okay.
Now, as I would be more than happy to provide you with the maximum waivers, okay? So
Mm,
I would be applying for the scholarship seat for you on behalf of you, okay?
mm,
But the scholarship seat would be only be provided to you after the interview, right? So the admission process looks like this. First, we would be receiving your application because without that we can't apply directly to that university. Right? So you are already an previous alumni, right, of that UT Austin. So you know the process as well, right? So the process looks like this. So we have to first submit your candidature that we have received your profile details and all. Then we will be submitting that, and after submitting your candidature, you will be getting a revert from the university side that whether your profile or your candidature is shortlisted or not, right? So you'll be getting a reply, a clear reply from them with either a rejection or an acceptance.
Fair enough. No issue.
Okay.
Fair enough. Fair
So
enough.
that is the first thing. First thing. So once we just can you just allow me 1 minute? I just
Sure. Please,
have some water. Sure. I'm really sorry for that. I just need to have some water.
Please go ahead.
Yeah. Sure. Thanks for keeping all out.
Hello.
Hi. Just allow me 1 minute.
Sure. No, you can even reconnect from your mobile. I mean, something like that. Also, that is also doable. Absolutely.
No worries. You can we can continue this. There is no worry in that.
Okay. It sounds good.
Yeah, hi. Thanks, Natalie, for waiting. I just have it. Yeah.
Should we connect tomorrow?
Surely we can do that. I just need
There's
5 more minutes
some
of
urgent
your
work
time.
which is really waiting for me. And, so I will be too happy if we can really pick up the thread from here. And I have already browsed through your brochure. I will now read it carefully, and
Sure.
while you will be speaking, I will be really equipped with a lot more information about the professor, about what you are really trying to do. And I am really impressed that you have created a very detailed brochure.
Yeah.
It is
Thanks
really
a lot.
helpful.
Yeah. Sure. No worries. So I would just like to take only 5 more minutes of yours, right? So I just wanted to explain you that how I can help you from my side, right? Because I promised you that. So that's the reason, right? So hope that helps, or should we reconnect tomorrow?
I think I will prefer it tomorrow.
No worries then. I will just reconnect with you. So we'll be reconnecting
Rather,
tomorrow.
I will suggest I would like to take a leave for tomorrow. We can connect on Monday.
Sure. No worries. So I can do that for you. Okay. So Monday, what time should we connect?
I think.
Is it possible in the afternoon or morning?
I will prefer somewhere around 11, 12 o'clock or 2 o'clock, something like that.
Sure. Then 11. Yeah, sure. So 11 o'clock works for me perfectly. So I will reconnect with you by 11 o'clock on Monday. Okay. So we'll be
fair enough.
Yeah. So we'll be having 15-20 minutes more discussion regarding this and how we can help you and take this forward.
But your brochure is very impressive, and
thanks a lot.
And I think while I will be going through in depth, probably I will be already equipped with a lot many information. Probably my queries will be minimized.
Sure. You can do that. And meanwhile, if you need any kind of more help from my side, I would love to do that for you. Okay.
Right, Mr. Subdeep, it's a pleasure talking to you. I'm very sorry. Time and again, I am mispronouncing your name. That is not a good habit.
No worries. I can understand. So my name is like that, right? No worries.
Okay. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Yeah, sure. Thank you. Have a good day. And happy weekend. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.